Down by the river where the rushes grow, down by the river, there I will let you go. As the water moves so freely, there my tears will flow. Down by the river, there I will let you go. Ship sails the ocean, never to return. Winds change direction, following the sun, and a rose has lost its color as another page is turned. Oh, still grow the rushes where a lonely candle burns. Down by the river where the rushes grow, down by the river, there I will let you go. As the water moves so freely, there my tears will flow. Down by the river, there I will let you go. Let the water take you, let the water take you home. Let the water take you, let the water take you home. Fill me with sunshine, fill me with the light of day. Fill me with memories that will take my breath away. As the water moves so freely, there my tears will flow. Down by the river, there I will let you go. Down by the river where the rushes grow, down by the river, there I will let you go. As the water moves so freely, there my tears will flow. Down by the river, there I will let you go.
Hello, everybody out there. We're the Henry Girls. We are Joleen, Lorna, and I'm Ciaran. And we are live on Earagail Arts Festival, online festival. Obviously, every other year is an actual physical festival. But this year, due to all the different circumstances, we've got to be online. And we're in Castle Grove House, just outside Ramelton in County Donegal, and it's just beautiful here. and it's lovely and isolated. We're all alone. But we're so glad you've joined us today, and we're going to sing a few songs for you, so we hope you enjoy. And, send some messages if you're listening and tell us who you are and where you are and what you think of it all. So hope you enjoy it. 1, 2, 3.
When the morning breaks, you are on my mind, and all the things that we've been through. But in the dead of night, there's no end in sight. If I know I'm hurting you, when I'm pushing you away, I really wish that you would stay. Please forgive me. I'm trying to work it through and be kind to you. 'Cause I don't want to lose a friend like you. On a mountain high, I close my eyes and think of how it used to be. If you needed me, I'd be at your side. I only hope that you know, when I'm pushing you away, I really wish that you would stay. Please forgive me. I'm trying to work it through and be kind to you. 'Cause I don't want to lose a friend like you. In our lives, we are there for each other, and when we try, there's more left to sacrifice. I'm on your side. There's no need to run and hide. So please tell me if you know the reason why. When I'm pushing you away, I really wish that you would stay. Please forgive me. I'm trying to work it through and be kind to you. When I'm pushing you away, I really wish that you would stay. Please forgive me. I'm trying to work it through and be kind to you. I don't want to lose a friend like you. No, I don't want to lose a friend like you.
Oh, thanks.
I've seen many things and I've had my ups and downs. I've been around the block a few times, oh, I've been through many towns. But I can't think of anything that pleases me much more than when I'm by your side. I couldn't ask for more. I've kissed many lips and held a hand or two, and I've found love a couple of times, but no one compares to you. And my heart can't help skipping a beat when you're knocking at my door. Or when I'm by your side, I couldn't ask for more. So come with me and under the pale moonlight, and we will hold each other close as stars are shining bright. Forget about your worries and your cares the whole night through. Come a little closer and I'll whisper I love you. I've cried many tears and broken many hearts, but when it comes to loving you, only one can tear us apart. But I can't think of anything that pleases me much more than when I'm by your side. I couldn't ask for more. Joleen! So come with me and sit with me under the pale moonlight, and we will hold each other close as stars are shining bright. Forget about your worries and your cares the whole night through. Come a little closer and I'll whisper I love you. I've cried many tears and broken many hearts. When it comes to loving you, only one can tear us apart. But I can't think of anything that pleases me much more. But when I'm by your side, I couldn't ask for more. But I can't think of anything that pleases me much more. When I'm by your side, when I have you right by my side, when I'm by your side, I couldn't ask for more.
Yeah. No.
Right, Karen.
Get rid of that.
What's this tune about?
This is a tune that we wrote last year, actually exactly, more or less exactly a year ago, when our good friend Paul Moore passed away. And we wanted to write a piece of music to honour him. And yeah, we came up with this tune, and we called it Honeybee, because he was a fan of nature and a fan of the bee. And yes, we wrote this about a year old now, but we've actually never recorded it, so this is our first time really performing it.
But I suppose the thing about it was that he had the idea that at the time there was so much talk about Brexit, which has kind of been replaced by coronavirus. But he was really like that, very aware of the border and everything, and he thought that the bee was so interesting than the birds, because they all just go over and back over the border all the time. They don't know about borders. So,
That's right. They don't know anything about borders.
Then we followed that with a tune. The first tune we're going to do is called Honeybee, and then we're going to follow that with a tune that I wrote called Hard Border. How apt.
Here you go.
Okay.
Joleen, take it away.
hope you're enjoying the concert so far. Just to let you know, there is a tip jar available that accompanies this concert. So I think it's in the link below there. And if you click, then you can donate some money. In this case, we've chosen Lifeline, which is an organisation that provides support for domestic abuse victims. So it's a very important organisation, obviously, and we'd be so happy if you were feeling charitable and just wanted to throw some money into that tip jar. Thank you. All right, so we're ready to do another song. So, I was thinking, it's kind of interesting, this whole lockdown period. Like, we haven't really seen each other, have we? This is actually the first time the three of us have been together for a long time, since March, was it? And but we have been staying in touch. And Joleen has actually been sending us a little daily meditation. I'm sure half the country has been doing 21 days of abundance. And it's actually been really nice to kind of take a moment to sit down and meditate. So with that in mind, we're going to do a song called More Love, More Silence.
Days pass and life moves on. Words fail, the light is gone. Nothing stays the same. No one is to blame. Tomorrow seems so far away. We need more love. We need more silence. Don't be afraid. Don't hide away. We need more love. We need more stillness. Don't be afraid. Never hide away. Night falls, I see your face. I wanna hold you and take the pain away. Peace came to me on a moonlit breeze. You don't know what you mean to me. We need more love. We need more silence. Don't be afraid. Don't hide away. We need more love. We need more stillness. Don't be afraid. Never hide away. From a steel sky, raindrops fall as the sea swells. Angels call. Need more love. We need more silence. Don't be afraid. Don't hide away. We need more love. We need more stillness.
So the next song we're going to do is actually a song, well, the arrangement is by the Boswell sisters, who we have been sort of, I suppose you could say, studying for the last while. We've learned lots and lots of their music, and we've got a show together. There's the three of us, and then we've got 7 other guys in the band, all musicians from the Northwest. And it's been great fun getting it all together. Joleen transcribed all the music, and we did a few shows round about the place. We went to Cork Jazz Festival, Derry Jazz Festival, and of course we went to Earagail Arts Festival. So last summer we were down on the Malin Green, where we come from, and we did a concert in the circus tent. And actually, a guy called Neil McGorry recorded the concert, and then we turned it into an album. And then we had all these lovely gigs lined up to promote the album, and then the coronavirus happened, and that was the end of that. So now we've got loads of CDs available if anybody's interested. Just get in touch. But yeah, we've really enjoyed doing this music. The Boswell sisters are amazing, so if you get a chance, check them out. But this particular song is written by Joe Young, and it's their arrangement, and it's called Dinah.
Carolina gave me Dinah. There's no sweeter one beneath the Dixie sun. News is spreading all about our wedding. I hear the church bells ringing. That's why my heart keeps singing. Dinah, if there's anyone finer in this state of Carolina, if there is and you know her, show her to me. Dinah, with your Dixie eyes blazing, how I love to sit and gazing to the eyes of Dinah Lee. Every night, why do I shake with fright? Because my dynamite changed her mind about me. Dinah, if she wanted to China, I would hop an ocean liner just to be with Dinah Lee. Oh, Dinah. Dinah, is there anyone finer in the state of Carolina, Carolina, Dinah, Carolina, Dinah? Whoa, if there is, why don't you show her? Ho-dee-ho-dee-ho, your Dixie eyes blazing. I'm talking about you, Dinah Lee. I'd love to sit and gazing. You're as sweet as you could be. I'd love to spend my days just looking into the eyes of Dinah Lee. Whoa, whoa. Every night, why do I shake with fright? Because my dynamite changed her mind about me. Oh, Dinah, about me. Dinah, my sweet Dinah. If she wanted to China, repeat China, I'd hop an ocean liner. Dinah, hop-dee-ho-dee-ho. I'd hop an ocean liner just to be with Dinah Lee. I'd hop an ocean liner just to be with Dinah.